front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. Then do the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag the chosen one, and after establishing a perfect list, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!